Hi there, here's Xiaomi's newly launched Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Mop 2 Pro. Yeah, that's a long name. But once you go beyond that, it's Xiaomi's smart vacuum cleaner. Cleans your floors and mops it too. Mopping, as we all call pocha, which is kind of a mandate for Indian homes. Like my mom always says, सिर्फ झाड़ू से सफाई नहीं होती, पोचा तो लगाना पड़ेगा. Now I've been using this for a couple of days, so I'd like to share my experiences. You can decide if you should buy this or not. Starting with a quick unboxing, everything is nicely organized with contents mentioned on the top. I'll just remove them first. So here's everything that you get inside the box. First is the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Cleaner itself. Then you have the user manual, you have the power cable, then you have a cleaning tool which clearly mentions, be careful, caution, sharp blade inside. This side is the brush and this side is the blade. So kindly be careful. Then you have a charging dock which connects behind the robot to charge it. Then this is the wet mopping pad. You can see there is a mopping pad already connected on it. This is connected with Velcro. You can remove this. It's a really nice cloth to clean the floor, to mop the floor. You can remove it, slide it out, wash it and put it back here. Now the best part is that you can actually fill water inside this component now, which is a really huge upgrade from its predecessor. You open this from here and this is from where you can put the water and some soap directly from here. I think this is a really smart idea. We'll have a look at it in just a moment. Then here is an extra mop that is provided in the packaging. So in case this is dirty or it's gone for a wash or it's damaged, you can start using this one. Then you have a side brush. This is going to assist you to clean the floors from every corner. Very handy. In fact, there's one which already comes fixed right here on the vacuum cleaner. Now, if you open it up from here, there is a cabinet inside, which is where all the dust will be accumulated when you're vacuuming it. Right here is the filter. Pull from here to open. All you need to do after a couple of weeks when this gets dirty, you can clean it with the brush. And of course, if you want to open it up and clean it once there is a lot of dust accumulated, you open it up. Very simple. Let's put this back in. Then right here you have two buttons. You have the home button and the power button. You can see it's a really well built device. Moving towards the back, so you can see the side brush here. Now there is also a brush in the center which you can remove to clean. Remove this part and simply lift to clean. Very, very convenient. There you go. Now if you move on this side, you take the mop, fill some water with some soap and hold this and connect it. There you go. It gets locked. You can mop the floor using this pad now. If you press this button on the side, press it to release. Really, really convenient. So overall, a really well-made device. Let's see how it works. So first thing we have to do is pair it, and we have to download the Mi Home app for that. Once logged in, you go to Add Devices, look for Robot Vacuum, then Robot Vacuum Mop 2 Pro. First, we have to reset it by pressing and holding the home and power button together for a couple of seconds. You'll see that the orange light starts blinking. Enter your Wi-Fi credentials on the app, go to the Wi-Fi section and select Mi Vacuum Cleaner. Go to the app and the setup is done in a couple of seconds. Super simple. So first time when you turn it on, it will go around the house to map the exact area. Here you can see it on the app. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Mop 2 Pro comes with 19 sensors along with LDS laser navigation, which is one of the biggest upgrades from its predecessor. LDS is a highly advanced laser navigation system which is capable of mapping your home for better accuracy and more effective cleaning. Let's start with the vacuuming function first. Now you can turn it on by pressing the power button on the robot or from the app itself. It comes with 3000 PA suction power, which means it's very powerful and efficiently cleans the floor, collecting all the dust and dirt. Trust me, it cleans every nick and corner, even under the chairs, and it doesn't have any problem maneuvering. However, in places like this where there is furniture and not enough accessible space, the robot won't be able to clean. So that's something you have to keep in mind. Powered by anti-collision and anti-drop sensor, the device makes accurate navigation, crossing obstacles up to 2 centimeters of height, avoids to fall off from the staircase and senses the surrounding environment intelligently. The side brush on the edge makes sure it cleans even in the corners. The vacuum supports 4 speeds: silent, standard, medium and turbo. You can adjust them from the app itself. Now personally for me, at the standard level, vacuuming was good enough, it wasn't too loud and it cleaned very well too. However, as you start increasing the speed, so will the suction motor sound. At the turbo level, it's definitely loud, but then it's also faster. Now if you're thinking, what if the battery runs out while it's cleaning? Well, it's smart. The moment the battery is low, it automatically goes back to the dock and starts charging. Once charged, it will resume the cleaning from the same spot. The Mop 2 Pro comes with 5200 mAh battery, which is a lot more battery than what its predecessor had. If I'm not mistaken, it had 3200 mAh battery. It provides a runtime of up to 213 minutes, which roughly means it will cover about 2000 square feet of area in one single charge. Amazing. Then the Xiaomi app gives you all the control you need. You can see the map of the house, you can see where the cleaning has been done with these white lines on them, you can see separate rooms, right on the top is the battery percentage, you can start the vacuuming and mopping from here, you can see it's fully charged. Under normal cleanup, there are modes, vacuum, vacuum and mop, speed at which you want to do the cleanup, water level in the mop attachment. Then custom level, you can also simply choose which room you want to clean. Room 1, room 2, room 1 and room 3 only, and you can choose the vacuum modes as well. Very smart. Then when you select this, you have an option to choose which certain area of the room you want to clean only. Like for example, if you drop something or spill something, this comes so handy. You can quickly ask it to clean only that certain area. Then in more settings, you can see the cleaning history. You can restrict a certain area by simply drawing a line on the map, or you can even completely restrict an area by making a red box. Schedule cleaning, like if you're at work and if you want to do the cleaning as per your convenience. So handy. Let's talk about mopping. So firstly, you'll need a mopping pad accessory, and then you'll have to add water from the bottom section. And finally, attach it to the lower part of the robot vacuum cleaner. Now choose mopping or vacuum and mopping from the app. Now the mopping feature on this one has been upgraded as well. It gives you high frequency sonic 10,000 plus vibrations a minute to clean the stubborn stains. Without getting into too much detail, it mops the floor really well. The microfibers present in the mopping pad ensures even water penetration. It's effective in removing all kinds of stains, and it also quickly dries the floor. There are no watermarks either, with no risk of slipping or floor damage. The device can save up to 5 maps, which means you can carry it to different locations, different floors, to your office and do the cleaning if needed. Make your home spick and span. And the best part is you can do it remotely from your app from anywhere. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Mop 2 Pro is probably the easiest to recommend for every home. Currently it's retailing for $29,999. You can buy it from me.com or Amazon. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feel free to mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.